Hey guys, and welcome to the new episode of Full Throttle, and today we have another amazing drag race. We have the winner from our previous drag race, the BMW M5 Competition. You can actually check that out right here, or if you click in the link in the description. Now against the BMW M5 we have the BMW X6M, but this one is tuned and has around 700 horsepower. Now will this car be finally able to beat the BMW M5? Well, let's find out. The BMW M5 Competition has a 4.4-liter bi-turbo petrol engine with 625 horsepower. This car does 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds on paper, but this particular car, which is completely stock, has given times below 3 seconds. Now let's see if this is going to be enough to beat the BMW X6M. This BMW X6M has an older version of the same 4.4-liter bi-turbo petrol engine. The car has 585 horsepower stock, but this one has around 700. Now we'll see if this is going to be enough to beat the BMW M5. And now let's check out what times did we get from the BMW M5 Competition. Here we have the quarter mile in 10.96 seconds, which is once again under 11 seconds stock, which is crazy fast for a big luxurious family sedan. We have 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds, which was enough to beat the BMW X6M. And now let's see what times did we get from this tuned BMW X6M. We can see that it did a 0 to 60 run in 3.57 seconds, which is a very impressive time for a two-tone SUV. We have a quarter mile in 11.52 seconds, which is once again much better than the stock, and it shows how much of a serious car this BMW is.